That's a nice Porsche 911 Carrera. I'm right now at the Gardena Pass. Welcome back to this new POV test drive video. I've bought a Hyundai i20N Performance last week. We're now in the Dolomites. So here are some great roads to test this car, see what it's capable of. And yeah, I really like it quite so far. 212 horsepower and 350 Newton meters of torque. So that's quite nice for a hot hatch like this. And it's a really nice system in the car. The car is made on the Nürburgring. So this is with the valves closed. It's like a normal Hyundai i20, like this one here. And if you put it in N mode, you got pops and bangs, original exhaust. When you go to setup, N mode, you can see everything here. The RPM, oil temperature, brake pressure, gas. And if you go here, you can change everything you want, like the steering, RPM, exhaust sound. You can see the G-forces. You can activate launch control. And if you go on track, like Spa-Francorchamps, I will go for the Nürburgring, of course. You can do the bridge to gantry, and you can see what lap times you do. Go for a drive on these mountain roads. Wow, this is cool. How did it manage to get up the bridge here, up the mountain here? I also have the rev matching system. If you turn it off, you can do the rev matching yourself with the gas pedal. You turn it on, it goes automatically, which is a nice system, of course, for on the track. Someone with a BMW here, as you can see. We're going downhill, so So guys, this was the POV test drive of the i20N. Let me know what you think about the car. I'm curious what you think. And also let me know which kind of hot hatchback you would like to drive on a road like this, with beautiful views everywhere. So yeah, this is it. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you at the next POV test drive. Thank you for watching. Bye.